Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this facial mask. It's a DIY facial mask bowl set, and it is by this brand right here. And just let's go ahead and get right into it. So I'm going to put that in the trash. So it comes with this little mixing bowl, which is actually really cute. It's like a bamboo. That's what it looks like it's made out of. So super nice. It comes with a big knife, a little tiny small one, a spoon, and then two different brushes. This one's just rubber, and this one is a like just a regular brush. And I am going to actually be cheating, and I'm going to use one of my face masks that I already have and be applying it that way. It also did come with a little hair thing to keep your hair out of your face. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on just like that. So super cute and very soft and fluffy. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some of this stuff in here. I know that you can make your own little facial stuff, but I'm not about that business. I'm just gonna scoop some of this out with this plastic thing like that and put it in my bowl. And if you want to, you can actually mix different like face products. If you're wanting to do like different things, you can also do that. So just let you know. So I'm just gonna put that. I'm going to start spreading it on my face with this so that I can get a good thick glob of it. And then you don't have to worry about cross-contamination by dipping this, putting it back in there. So this is actually a way better way to do it. So you just keep everything nice and clean. This actually feels really good. I always like to put it down on my neck as well, because I just like to make sure that I'm getting everything. Get around your nose really good. Okay, now I'm gonna let this sit. But so what all this stuff is, like this one's great for putting on anything that's more like slimy like this. Something like this would be good for like more like a paste type of face mask. Like you can make your own too. I know that they have like some with yogurts that you can make. You can make some with egg whites, and that's pretty much what all this stuff is. It's just for like cutting up stuff or just like dipping it out, just making your own. But I am about that business. This is how I would personally use it, but you can use it however your little heart desires. But definitely a really good kit, especially if you're someone you like to do take care of your skin, do your own skincare. I would highly recommend this. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.